Hey! So today I'm going to be opening these really cute Hong Kong Disneyland mystery lollipop pins. There are 15 in the series and each tin contains 5 pins. I got this through a Disney pickup, so someone who goes to the parks and will buy things for you. They're not technically approved by Disney to do this, but it's all good. I've got it, so I'm just gonna open it. They're really cute, they're little lollipops. I'm hoping I get an alien at least. Alien, Alice, and Tinkerbell are the 3 I really want. And also the tin is super cute. I'm very excited to use the tin for future life things. So another look at the tin. Now I've got the wrap off. And let's go. Oh, I can see them. So I'm gonna go a bit low blind. There's a collector card. So that has all of the designs. So yeah, we've got Duffy, Shelley, Mike, Stitch, the cat, this cat, I forgot its name, Sully, Pinocchio, Aliens, Lotso, Oswald, Tink, Alice, Marie, Simba, and the Cheshire Cat. So first pin. Oh wow, they're a whole lot bigger than I thought. First pin is Pinocchio. My luck with Disney blind bags is if there's a Pinocchio, I get Pinocchio. I get that in California. Second pin is Oswald. That's pretty cute. That was probably the one I wanted least, but we're okay. We've got a... Yay! We got Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell's super cute. We've got... Oh, we got Shelley May. Isn't she cute? And then, fingers crossed. Ah! Oh my god, I got my alien boys. Oh, that's so cute. Right, we'll get the alien out. He's very important. He deserves to be freed from his prison. There we go. There's the pin up close. They've got glitter in the swirls, and each is very much themed to the character. Typical Mickey head back with a rubber backing. I really like these. Oh, I got my boy. Look at him. Look at him. So yeah, I'm not mad. I got 2 of the 3 I wanted. Yeah, 2 of the 3 I wanted, which isn't bad, and I can definitely probably trade one of the others, but there were genuinely no bad pins. I hope you enjoyed that very quick opening, and I'll see you next time.